Hey everybody, Lee Ross, Dean King Training Institute here. Hey, I'm fixing a couple of spots on the rail of this car. And one of the things that I wanted to do in this and show y'all is the Burro Convex compression tabs. I know a bunch of y'all in the industry out there absolutely love these, and these are one of my favorite tabs. But I want to make a couple of pulls on this rail and show you just how smoothly and how well these tabs will invert a dent. These things are absolutely one of the best tabs in our industry these days. They're definitely in my top 3 of my favorites. Everything from the small 9mm all the way up to, I believe this one's the 20mm tab. All the way through it, they're absolutely fabulous tabs. So I'm gonna use this 17 right here on this dent right here. Just gonna make a nice smooth pull on it. And let's see what that does. Get a nice set in there. Now, one of the things that I love about these tabs are, especially depending on what glue you're combining it with, and I'm using the Tequila Turquoise. Of course, I'm here in Southern California at the Dean King Costa Mesa campus, so the temperature here is beautiful. It's about 85 degrees. It's about 80 degrees here in the shop, so it's real nice, low humidity. So pretty much I can use almost any glue that I choose. However, for the real nice, smooth invert of this dent on this tab, I love the way the Tequila Turquoise glue just pairs with these tabs. Couple of nice pops. Get that snapped right off of there. Hit it with a quick touch of alcohol. And see if y'all can pick that up in the light. It doesn't get any better than that, folks. That's about as pretty of a pull as I could have ever wanted to make. So if you can see it right here, it's just got a very, very slight little dome in it, a very, very slight invert. That thing is going to take me just a second to tap down and blend it out. And we're going to just tap this out real quick. Now, the awesome thing about those tabs is the sheer flexibility that it gives you in your pull. They're not going to make that monster pull that a tequila thumbprint or a root beer, especially the root beer 2.0, they're not going to make that monster pull that a couple of those tabs would do, especially if you pair them with the root beer glue. But it gives such a nice smooth inversion to the dent and makes a really, really nice pull up into that domed area that we're looking to get. So I'm going to grab that next one. If we can get a shot of that next dent, just this side of it, make one more quick pull here and show y'all. Get that centered right there. And let me see, I think I've got a really small spot up here. Yeah, I've got a little smaller tight spot right up here on the top edge. I'm going to go ahead and get one of the smaller tabs, one of the smaller compression tabs. This is, I believe, the 12mm. And we're going to stick this one on that other spot. And let's see what that gives us. Want just a little bit longer set time on this one because this one's got some sharpness to the depth of it. Nice pop. Let's see what that did. A little alcohol here. Beautiful smooth pull. You're gonna have to make one more pull in it with a smaller tab, but you can see how it pulled so much of the depth of that dent up out of it and made it just a nice, smooth little bowl left in that thing for me. And let's see what this small tab does up here. For a small tab, in that really, really tight area, that was a pretty significant pull. Now, I could have used like a root beer 2.0 or a tequila tab on that to get a little bit harder yank, but I'm trying to really gently flex that metal up where I'm not over pulling it and take a chance on warping that body line up there on top. So I'm gonna switch over from the tequila turquoise to the root beer, re-pull this dent right here, because that root beer glue is gonna give me a little bit harder pull than the tequila turquoise is going to. And then I'm gonna jump right back into that other dent real quick. Get a nice fill on my tab. Fight with getting the glue gun back in there. And let's just see how nice of a pull we can get with that. All right. Now, I'm not perfect. I even accidentally let my tab set a little bit too long like I did on that one. So that one I'm gonna end up having to re-stick because I got pretty much nothing with that. That was a good one. That's what we want to see, is that right there. Again, just a nice smooth little dome. We're going to tap that down real quick and make that disappear. I'm using my one of my new favorite tap downs, the edgy no roll. And just get this spot just blended out a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna go back and finish that one up here in a second. I hope you all enjoyed this. Please check out these the Burro compression convex tabs. Check them out for yourself. See how you like them. Pair them with a couple of different glues. Pair them with your favorite glue, whichever one you use in your area. Take care, and we're going to see you soon. Looking forward to seeing everybody at MTE on September 6th and 7th. Y'all take care. We'll see you soon.